Keyboard Pulit ke Ri Bhoi district kila pynlong ya program ai jingpynshai sha ki khynnah Pule jinggjyllei skul ba kynthup ya ka James Memorial Higher Secondary School ka Saint Francis di Assisi Higher Secondary School bat ka Union Christian Higher Secondary School ha ka iadei ba ka jingma na ka jingkyrni di dawai Drok Ganja bat kiwei jingdih buaid. Katei program ai Jinghikai pynsngewthuh jong Pulit kalong ru si bynta ban rat Dyngkhong ya ka jingjyllei ki jingdih buaid Drok la kalong ha ka district bat kumjuh hapoh ka jelai brok away. Halor ka phang drug abuse and illicit trafficking ha ka khasantrik ujliu arpho arphlai ha auditorium jong ka Union Christian College ha umyam. Lasakhi program da ka jingdon ki he Pulit kynthup yo Dr L R Bishnoi DGP jong ka jilla Giri Prasad Superintendent of Police Ri Bhoi uba Arfan Bansan Kharkungor PONSS Dr M Mani Principal Union Christian College Umyam Jinghikai ki khynnah Pule na ki lightly school lembar ki he officer na katnar Pulen hadin kata na kalyang ka Ri Bhoi district executive first kila iru ya ka megha shakti drill lingba ka kunhun SF10 commando jong ki Katei.
Any chemical substance which can change the function of your nervous system is a drug. And why it is known as narcotic drugs? Because the drugs is derived from the plants. And there are 3 plants on this planet from which drug is derived. First is poppy plant. Opium poppy. Second is cannabis plant, also known as hemp. And third is coca plant. And where coca plant is found, any idea? Coca plant is not found in India. Anybody has any guess where it is found? Mainly it is grown in the South American countries or so-called Latin America like Mexico, Colombia, Brazil, Argentina, Paraguay, Uruguay. These are the Latin American countries where the coca plant is grown. So from coca plant, cocaine is made. From the poppy plant, opium is made. And from the cannabis plant, we get it cannabis or marijuana, or in common parlance it is known as Ganja. Okay, but you might be thinking why administration is not destroying all these plants and control the problem forever. It's not possible. Even if you destroy, eliminate all these 3 plants from the planet, still drug problem will remain 10 times more potent than your narcotic. You might be under the impression that when the police are seizing various kinds of drugs, many of them are synthetic drugs like amphetamine tablets, like lysergic acid diphenol. All these are synthetic drugs which can be easily manufactured in the laboratories. For them you need not to depend on the plant sources. And this problem is not only in India, not only in Meghalaya, not only in Northeast, but it is a worldwide problem. It's a global problem. In America, in states, highly developed states like America, Nearly 1 lakh people are losing their lives every year to the drug use. So this is a very, very serious problem. So when we think of the reasons why students are falling prey to the drugs, why they are taking drugs. I am not saying that students here in the UCC are taking drugs, but you must be aware how we can prevent this problem. So that our MSS officer has given you some presentation and shown you some slides where the reasons were described why the youth are taking drugs. So first reason is the peer group pressure. Peer group means the pressure from your friends, pressure from the students. So when you select the friends, please be careful that good friends and nice youth are selected. If anybody is a spoiled brat, and if you make him a close friend, then he will influence your behavior and tempt you for drugs. Second is curiosity. Some students are curious, let us check it, what is this? And once you take it, it's very difficult to come out of it. Because the drugs like heroin, you require very, very small doses. 150 milligram only in one dose. And if any youth takes 3 doses, 150 milligram, 150 milligram, 150 milligram, in total 450 milligram, that is less than half a gram.
In Northeast India has a long history. Governments had narcotic policy even during the pre-British era. However, they have utterly failed to control the menace. It is basically due to lack of awareness among general public about ill effect of drug abuse and involvement of unscrupulous politicians and businessmen and sometimes faulty narcotic policies. It is high time for all responsible stakeholders of our society to join hands together to control this grave social peril.